Man, why is the flow ATEs? I mean, look at this, ATEs. That's a question. So why some NFTs has such a much high price? Why people pay for this? I mean, activity. Look, it's $4 million for one pass. Let me explain. So imagine you bought this few months ago for 6 E's, maybe floor I think was 3 E's, 2 E's, etc. Right? Some kind of investment, and now you could sold it right now for $250,000. Question: why people pay this price? Okay, so this is a mean question, and the utility behind them is it's a access to a specific group, to a alpha group. And this is a new meta in general right now in this NFT space. It means you can participate in a group where you have a lot of smart people and get information, and this information will make you make more money. So that's the thing about this. Let me show you this group, and then I will, if you stay with me, I will share with you a really hot alpha in my opinion. So a next upcoming alpha group will be minted soon. It is still possible to get whitelist. It is a very fair chance, by the way. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, I will explain you this project, and maybe it will make for you also this life-changing money. So stay with me. First of all, of course, I need to explain I'm not a financial advisor. I do this also just for education purpose, and because I just love the space, right? So why not share information? And yeah, so let's start it. So this is this project. It calls Proof Collection. Okay, so I just want to show you what's possible. So this guy started a collection of 1,000 dedicated NFT collectors, etc. And you can see they have already 148 people who owned CryptoPunks, and 817 Bored Apes, 499 Meebits. So these two NFT collections are really high tier blue chip collections, and you can see a collective working together is stronger than any single member. So that's a vision, and they're completely right, and that's why right now alpha passes are the new meta. Of course, I can understand the majority cannot afford to buy this kind of pass for $250. Yes, it is the most prestige alpha group, but you can buy in much cheaper alpha groups, hold an NFT, and you have always the possibility to sell it back. And in the time where you hold this kind of NFT, you have this kind of alpha. So let me show you some groups and alpha passes where you can join. First of all, I can recommend you read this article from this guy, Abdul Turkistani, very smart guy, is also YouTuber, has also his own alpha group. You can join also his Patreon, costs approximately $100. His alpha pass is of course a little bit more expensive, I think around 1 ETH or 1.5 ETH. Make your own research, just make sure to read his rules before you join, because he's very strict regarding his rules, and so not that you will get banned. But if you follow his rules and follow him, I think you can really benefit from it. This is his Patreon.com. I just can recommend this guy, and you can check also his track record, so all his calls. Right, so this guy is a little bit undervalued, and right now it's not bad, I think, to follow this guy, also his YouTube. So regarding alpha, and read this article. Okay, so but let's keep going forward. I won't show you another example with a premium collector pass of, and this is also kind of alpha pass. So people have a lot of different information from different projects which will launch in future, because Premint is a platform where companies from different projects can raffle whitelists, so they have a lot of information, and if you join this club, I think there will be also very beneficial for you. Right, I was bought in and minted this kind of NFT for 0.25, and I sold it for 0.3, right, for small profits. And right now I regret it a little bit, because right now floor price is 0.92 after a few days. Right, just needs a liquidity, but anyway, it can happen. But it shows me even more this kind of NFTs, they pretend to go up. Why? Because if this kind of pass give the people really value, really utility, people will stay in these groups and don't sell these alpha passes. So the demand will always grow, and the supply will stay, right? And that's why this kind of passes pretend to go up. And let me show you another collection also regarding an alpha pass, which you can buy in right now, and which is really cheap. And this is Furu's Mint Club, right? Floor price is right now 0.14, and they launched just yesterday. And the thing is, it was not sold out. Okay, so they have a collection of here you can see, by the way, the graph, right, of their sales on IC Tools. They have a collection of 2,000 passes, and they minted just 800, I think, or 1,000, right? And you see the sales are pretty slow. But it doesn't matter the floor. If you make your research regarding this project, right, we can click here on the website, you can see a fully doxed team, right? So you can see guys who really know what they're doing, and they will provide alpha and whitelist spots if you own their NFT. So in this case, for me personally, it's a nice thing that they have not sold out. I monitor right now their price, and probably some food may happen, and demand will be much lower than supply, and price will go more down. Who knows, maybe they will be then on 0.05 or 0.07. Then I will buy for sure one of their pairs and have another pairs in my collection, where what I can use to get even more alpha and whitelist spots, right? So I would also recommend you to monitor their price and maybe buy in a good dip. And the other thing, of course, this kind of collections pretend to go higher. So I think, I'm very sure, if these guys will deliver, right, that floor price will go up over time, and maybe they will be also on 1 Ethereum after a month or some things like this project here, right? Just saying. But right now, let me show you all my passes, what I own and where I benefit from it. Okay, there are 3 different NFTs. The first of all is Wizard Pass with right now 0.20. If you own this pass, you have access to their Wizard Pass member groups. You have alpha and you have whitelist spots. The alpha is really good there, and you have every day different raffles regarding whitelist spots. So I'm winning consistently whitelist spots and get consistently information from these guys here. This guy, the founder is Sajad, a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers, a very smart guy, very good NFT trader, and also learned a lot from him. The next one is Well Together, very cheap right now, 0.046. Also, I can just recommend to own at least one NFT. You have also access to the Discord group, also alpha, good alpha in my opinion, and also a lot of whitelist raffles which you can win on daily basis. Very nice. And you have an NFT trading tool with all the features like quick buy, rarity check, etc., etc., etc. So for this price, for me, a no-brainer, honestly. And the third one, which I can recommend, is the BBs. This is a second NFT from the Habibis. The Habibis right now are around 0.9 ETH. The BBs are still very cheap right now, 0.15. They have a specific utility. Make your own research, of course. But I could also recommend to own at least one BB if you cannot afford a Habibi. Of course, not a financial advice, but just what I do personally, and of course, make your own research. If you own a BB, then you have access also to specific alphas, which you get from Ramo, the founder on the Habibis, very smart guide, and he has also different NFT analytics and crypto analytics, and you have always, even every day, different kind of information, and information is key in this NFT space or business, right? Okay, and if you stay with me until this minute, I really thankful for this, and let me share with you right now this mean alpha, in my opinion, a potential future blue chip NFT alpha pass, which has the potential to make exactly the same thing like the proof collection, right? Starting by 6 ETH and floor will be maybe 3 ETH, I think, in the beginning, and end on a $4 million. Or at least 50,000, I don't know, but chances are very big. So let me explain. Look, this guy here, Iman Gaji, right? This is a YouTuber, 22 years old, multimillionaire. His net worth is 10 millions, right? Extremely rich, extremely successful, very smart dude. And I was following him on YouTube a few months already. I follow him on YouTube already a few months, and now I discover he launched his own alpha pass regarding NFTs. And let me explain a little bit more about him. So this is one of these videos which I discovered firstly a few months ago, 7 habits that made me a multimillionaire by 21, and he shows here a book. That's a nice thing, which is my favorite book, by the way, Reality Transferring from Vadim Seeland. So he talks here about building an abundance mindset, and this is so much important. And I understand this. I have read this book. It has changed my life 1 year ago, and he explained here also this book he has read at 16 years, and it has changed his life. So he became this kind of a person, multimillionaire by 21. I can also strongly recommend to read this book, just for now. But the main thing, what I want to tell you, this guy is really successful. 100,000 followers on Instagram, and he has his own company, a coaching company, which calls I forget his name on this coaching company, right? No, I forget the name of the coaching company. Grow your agency. Why he don't tell his company name? Anyway, so I will link this also in the description. And with this company, he educate different agencies, and all his clients, the agencies, are also very successful, and he make multi-millions dollars with this. And what I discover, he make right now his own NFT pass. And guys, you need to go to this website. Wait, you need to go to this website. I will link this below. Wait, let me read. Okay, you need to go to this website, jenscrewcatclub.com. Alright, I will link it in the description, and you need to click play and listen carefully to this dude. He's so damn smart, and I was immediately sold after 5 minutes. And what he talks about NFTs and in general what it takes to have a great NFT, it's really awesome. And then he explains explain what he will do with his club, what kind of value, what kind of utility he will provide. And this is really mind-blowing. And to get a whitelist spot, I really like this idea, because this is really fair to get a whitelist spot. You need to book a spot, a call with one of his reps, right? The call will be 15 minutes. It will be a Zoom call. If you want, you can have a camera. It will increase your chances to get on a whitelist spot. And then you need to explain 15 minutes why you like this project, who you are, etc., and why you're good enough for this whitelist spot, right? And I think a lot of people do this. I myself, I done this also. It will be quite expensive, the mint, but I think everyone who will mint it will make a really good flip if he if he plan to make a flip. But what I plan to mint it and hold this pass, because it will help me a lot in this game and for my business, for my future in this NFT space. I'm so sure, right? And if I will not be able to be on the whitelist and mint it, I would buy it on OpenSea. All right, because this pass has the potential to end like this one, Proof Collection. This is my prediction. Of course, not financial advice. Make your own research. Go to this website. Listen to this guy. Make your own thoughts. And this is my high alpha for you guys if you stay at the end of this video. And before I stop the video, first of all, will be awesome if you like this video, if you really liked it. Subscribe to my channel, right? Make a comment below if you have some suggestions, what you want to see next from me, etc. And click the notification bell if you really like my content and don't want to miss out on my other calls, right? And the other thing, here's my Twitter, right? Will be also cool if you join and follow my Twitter. Also my Discord private group. I share every day alpha right now. Here you can, we have some interactions already, just a small group of nice people who interact again, talk with others about upcoming NFT projects, and I share on daily basis alpha, which I get from my alpha group. So it will be also cool to have you there, right? In this case, thanks a lot for watching, right? Wish you all the best and have a nice day. Bye-bye.